Okay, so yeah, there we go. Totally, I'm on my game today, guys. Absolutely on my game. Wow. Um, okay, that was pretty rough. So let's take it again from the top. Sorry that I muted myself and then did not have my microphone plugged in. That was a genius level move. So Tejas, what I mean by a diagnostic session is generally that's my first session I have with a student is like a diagnostic session. And basically what I do is I just like throw as many problems as possible at that student so I can figure out what they know and what they don't know. Because I don't like busy work and I don't like wasting people's time. So if you know something, I don't need to teach it to you. So I use that diagnostic session as my first session just so I can figure out where the student stands as far as like what they need to know and figure out still so that I can like we can get to the high score as fast as possible. And study. What do you mean by the hint? I remember I told you to hint about something in the email that I sent you earlier, but that was like forever ago in my mind. So thanks, Beatrix Shot. Yeah, I think it's a really solid start to this stream. Thanks, Shad. If you know me, top tier professional. The equipment never fails. The audio, always on point. The video, always on point. Definitely not just a cell phone camera being mirrored. This is the top of the equipment that you can get. So thanks everybody for at least believing that I would be smart enough to troll you guys with it when really I just didn't have my microphone plugged in for the first minute. It's been that type of day, bros. I'll tell you what. Like, I didn't even like my comments. I'm just like, what are we even gonna talk about today? It's just been so busy. I've been tutoring a lot of people in the ACT and the SAT recently, so it's like a lot of like kind of heavier homework that I've had to be like working through and stuff like that. Okay, study. Yeah, just email me, bro. What's Tyler's Gmail? No, no, Anthony, don't dislike the video. Enough people do already, bro. Here's my email. We're not ending the session, but I thought I'd just write it since people asked. Test prep at Gmail. Yeah, it's like gmail.com. Yeah, so this is what my email is. If you have any questions, like Study's been emailing me, like I get emails from a lot of people. So yeah. Um, thanks, Cracked. I'd love that. I mean, part of the charm is my horrible equipment, I guess. Yeah, Leo, I'm going to. I'm absolutely going to. No, Tejas, we're still grinding, bro. Um, yeah. Man, I don't even know what the dislikes are. Whatever. I can't. You just gotta live your life. You know what I mean? I can't be so concerned. Um, so yeah, man. No, I'm not leaving, bro. Yeah, Phoenix. I just need a $10 million microphone. My current microphone, not $10 million, so definitely not worth it. Yeah, where were you, Sport Show? I have not seen you, bruh. Have not seen you, but good to have you back as always, man. Thanks for commenting. Big brain work, Gino. I know that intro was about as big brained as they get. Just kidding though. That was a really bad intro. Okay. All right, so let me get set up, dude. I'm trying to I'm trying to get myself together here. Yeah, oh yeah. Thanks, Laurel, for noticing. I'm really trying to get to 900 subs, dude. As if we need a reminder. When we get to 900, we're gonna do a static stream. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome actually. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so Tejas wants to go over problems in the video. Which problem are you talking about, dude? Yeah, Cracked. Where you been, bruh? Rachel, you want to go over trig? Can you be more specific? Because trigonometry is almost like a ninth grade, not even ninth grade, is like a high school topic. Like that's what I'm working on in the SAT and ACT right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool, Cracked. Well, thanks for staying with it and following along, bro. That's awesome. Uh, yeah, even if I got a $10 million mic, like, yeah. Yeah, dude, how about that? If I get a new mic, I will make a video of me smashing and destroying my old, like, yeah, I'm just trying to race PewDiePie to 100 million. First one to 100 million subs. Um, so we could talk about basic trig just because it is a thing. I'm very hesitant to talk about it because we're probably, I know, 90, he's at 99 million. I'm not at 100 million either, so we can both race to 100 million. That makes sense to me. So this is such a bad start to a stream. We're like 6 minutes in and I have not even done a single problem. Ugh. All right, I gotta get my stuff together here. You guys deserve better. All right, we can do number 3 from the stream. I can do that. This is so bad. I apologize to you and your family for watching this video right now. Okay, so let me write down the question and we can talk about it. Oh my god, I just got done with the tutoring session right before this. Okay, so this is actually one from the video that I noticed that people were getting like crazy different answers for, which was interesting to me. Like it's so interesting to see these results for the questions in these videos. I think I'm gonna make more of them, so just so you guys can practice more and stuff. But here's the first question. Oh yeah, thanks, study. Yeah, I do need a better camera. I'm just using an iPhone. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm just I don't know what would give it away that I'm just using an iPhone sport show, but yeah. Um, yeah, totally. Oh yeah, I should just play Brawl Stars at the end of the session today. Yeah, I remember that shot. Okay, so Rachel's got 990 on this. Is that a real answer, Rachel, or 90? Okay. Saggy agrees. Pokar. Dude, thanks for all those subs today, or yesterday, Pokar. That was really dope of you. Thanks, man. Geek. Gio's in the house. What's up, Gio? Laurel. Dude, all the regulars. Neil. Yep. Yashin's in this too. Uh-huh. Yashin. Sport Show. Yeah, to stream, so to use YouTube's streaming platform, you need 1,000 subs, but you can use your iPhone. Alicia's got 92. All right, yeah, y'all are coming in on this answer, so I guess I could just go over it. So the key here, guys, is we're dealing with a permutation. How do I know? Because the order and changing the order significantly changes the result. Whoops, I do know how to draw a podium. All right, so here's 2 podiums. It could be A, B, and C. Those are top 3. Since there's 11 people, it could be C, B, and E, right? The order that B is in matters. Just because B and C are both included in this, and let's even just change this to A so it's super obvious. Just because A, B, and C are included, the result is very different. You could actually say that these are 2 different things. So that's how we know we're dealing with a permutation and not a combination like toppings on a pizza or whatever, you know what I mean? Dude, did that Fortnite world winner get swatted? Dude, that is crazy. That's kind of crazy. That type of stuff is nuts. Don't swap me, please. Don't swap me, bro. So yeah, the order changes the results, so we got to do it. So we have 3 positions, 1, 2, 3, 11 times 10 times 9. That's going to be your answer, which is 11 times 9, which is going to be 990. Psych times 90, which would equal 990. All right, that's what's up. So yeah, you guys all crushed that one. Yeah, that's how you do number 3. Yeah, we can rank everybody smartest to dumbest for sure, Pokar. You'd definitely be at one end of it, bro. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do number 3 from the stream. Yeah. What's up, Henry? Okay, so we can work on trigonometry, but I want to just like very, very touch it. Because when most people mean trigonometry, what they really mean is triangles. That's all they really mean. So let me give you a really hard question that's actually, quote, quote, trigonometry question. This is actually a really good one. I just did this one this morning. I was like, ooh, this is a good question. I'm going to save this for the stream. So good. I'm going to save it for the stream. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so there's that. Let's say this guy is a forte, and let's say this guy is 40, and I want to know what is x equals, bro? Here's your question. Let's get it. First real question of the stream. I'm only like 50 minutes in. What type of trig is in the 9th grade SHSAT? Very basic stuff, dude. Basically, just really hard triangle geometry. You're not going to be dealing with a lot of SOHCAHTOA or sine, cosine, tangent. You're definitely not going to be doing anything with like calculating like inverse sine or anything like that. So I wouldn't stress the trig aspect of so much. I would just stress the geometry aspect a lot more. Because even if you do get a sine, cosine, tangent problem, it's like going to be very rare. Very, very rare. Okay, Henry's up in this first. He's got 80. Oh man, thank God Henry's here. I'll give you guys like another minute. It's not about who does it the quickest though, as I compliment Henry. I mean, I need some caffeine. Okay, so a lot of people are coming in on that 80 figure. Hopefully you're not just copying. Neil, Sport Show. Okay, so Red Possible's got 160. Laurel, Neil, got you. Alicia. Alam's got 140. 140, Alam. Shad's got 80. Benna. Yeah. Sorry, Alam, I take the first answer, bro. Zach's got 100. Tenzin's got 90. Ooh, answers are all over the place on this one, bros. Okay. Yeah, dudes. Your gut tells you it's 100? I like that. Shoot from the hip, dude. All right, that's enough time. So, guys, this is what I'm talking about with like trigonometry. This is actually a trigonometry question, okay? Which is kind of crazy to think about. So, how could this be a trigonometry question? We've got this weird 1, 2, 3, 4-sided shape. We don't know 2 of the angles, so we can't use adding up all the angles of a 4-sided shape. This triangle right here, we don't know if we drew an extra line, we just don't know how much the angle would be in here. But bros, whenever you're dealing with a circle, know that all of the radiuses are the same length. Every radius I draw in will be the same length as any other radius I draw in. So check this fresh, bros. What? Bang. So now we're dealing with 2 triangles. Look at radius, radius, radius. So these 2 triangles are isosceles triangles, guys. So if this 40 creates that side, then we know a 40 is going to create that side. Same thing here. Now we got 2 nice isosceles triangles. So there's a couple ways to do this from here. You can know that this would be 80 and this is going to be double that. That's something you could know. Another thing you could do is be like, oh, that's going to be 100, that's going to be 100. So a circle is 360 degrees. So 360 minus that 100 minus that 100 is going to equal 160. Red Possible. For the win. Wow. That's really good, dude. That's really good. Good job, Red Possible. Everybody else, great work. If you got to 80, that means you got this angle right up in here, but you weren't quite done yet. You had to finish the triangle. Yeah, so dude, that's a tough one, dude. That's a really good answer, bro. Good work. You gotta pat yourself on the back for that one, dog. And everybody else, just give yourself a half pat on the back, just because, what a great day. Should I go over this again? Are people like totally blown away? No, I'm not gonna shave my beard at 1K subs, dude. I mean, maybe you could maybe convince me to do it. Yeah. So yeah, just keep in mind, what type of triangle is this? Isosceles triangle all day, dudes. We got 2 equal sides. That means these 2 angles are going to be equal. And once we draw on that radius, we know it's going to be equal to every other radius. You know what I mean? So really, really good question, bro. Really, really good. Yep, it's time for a redemption. Absolutely time for a redemption. I feel that. All right, so give me a second because I always want to make sure that my redemption problems aren't just the same thing. I got to actually like challenge you, bros. So yeah. Oh, definitely. The bandwagon is strong, but you know, I encourage that. Let's see. How do I make this really hard for you guys? How do I make? I know. Okay, I got it. All right, so just give me a second. Because I got to give you the freshest of the fresh problems. Like when you walk into a Subway and you smell that fresh bread, that fresh, that's the problems I'm trying to give you guys. No stale, no stale. Hmm. How do I make this problem really hard for you guys? Hmm. I think this is too easy. Okay, this might be too easy, but I don't care. Redemption time, dude. Let's get it. All right. Q is the center of the circle. What is the length of AB? Dude, I don't care if Hunger Games is copyrighted. I hope they sue me. That would be great publicity. Let's get this bread. Dude, you can send me as many memes as you want, bro. You know my email. Wendy's is better. Although I think Burger King is the king, literally. For me, it's either me. Oh my god, the chat cracks me up so hard. Yeah, dude, maybe Tenzin, maybe it'd be smarter if you did. What do you mean Wendy's is expensive, dude? Wendy's is, they got a dollar menu, bro. Or they got a value menu. What do they call it? That's a valid point, Phoenix. I am humbled. The 444. Yeah, dude, that's real talk deal. All right, Tenzin, is that your answer? 7 or 8? I'm gonna need one of those, bruh. Oh, dude, Shad, you tried those tacos at Burger King? I was definitely side-eyeing that. I was like, stay in your lane, Burger King. You're the king of burgers. You're not the king of tacos, man. That's gotta leave that up to Taco Bell, bro. Man, everybody's jumping on that answer. Wow, wow. Luo, gotcha, bro. Zach, gotcha, dude. Alicia, wow, dude, you guys are crushing. Oh my god, late. Phoenix, wow. Okay, good redemption, everyone. That's what's up. Uh, yeah, dude, absolutely wonderful. Yep. Can we just talk about fast food? Do we actually have to talk about the SHSAT today, guys? Geo. All right, so I'm gonna go through this one really quick, just because I feel like you guys crushed it, absolutely demolished it. So, guys, again, every radius is gonna be the same length. So I can draw in this radius. Now I have a nice triangle. The 60-degree angle creates a radius. Here's another radius, which means another 60-degree angle creates it. What's left? Equilateral triangle, bros. 7. That's our answer all day. But I mean, you guys already knew that. Really, really good, bro. Oh, Neil, did I not get you, dude? Yeah, I got you, man. Right down here, play. All right. So yeah, really good, dude. Oh, I skipped you, Rachel. I always get you though. You know it. Okay. Cool, man. Yeah, really, really good. Did I spell? No, that's actually how you spell stream. You're supposed to spell it with 2 E's. That's the proper way to spell it, bro. Okay, good job on the redemption, bros. Good job. Okay. Let's see. What else could I give you guys that would be really hard? I want to give you something that's pretty tough here. More circles. I like these problems. Okay, we can do that, bro. I got circles all day, bro. I got circles all day. Yeah, Red One. That's actually how you spell streams. They just don't want you to know. Yep, Alam. That's also how you spell streams. There's a lot of alternative streams. Welcome back, Yeet. Super excited. No, I didn't make it. No, that's actually my chair. Literally, people. You're the second person today to ask me if my chair is making cat noises as I'm like swinging it back and forth. All right, more circles. Got it. You ask, you shall receive. Okay. This is already kind of trash. I kind of want to make another one. So, sorry. I got to make it fresh for you, bros. Got to. Let's see. Isosceles triangles and equilateral. Geek, I can do that really fast, dude. Bang, bang, bang. If you have an equilateral triangle, every angle in it is going to be 60 and all three sides have to be the same. Isosceles triangle, two sides are the same. Which two angles? Not this guy up here, because you have to see, if you back yourself into the corner, what side are you looking at? Back yourself into the corner, what side are you looking at? That's the corresponding side, so we know that these angles are equal. Two equal sides, you're messing with an isosceles. If you find out that third side's equal to, you're messing with an equilateral, bro. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna give you guys a fresh problem. The circle I had drawn was like truly trash tier, so I was like, no, you guys deserve better than that. You've earned better than that. I don't like the word deserved. I like the word earned way better. Okay. Oh, dude, it was so good until the end. Okay, whatever. I'll get over it. Can't be perfect, bros. Perfection is a concept. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do this in private so you can't jump ahead. Okay. Okay, here's a question. Hard question. It's not stopping. Here we go. Oh man. Cannot do my timer. Whatever. There are magnets on the top and bottom of this wheel. If the wheel travels 10 feet, how many times will a magnet touch the road, not counting the one it is on now? So we're not going to count the fact that it's already resting. And we're using 22/7 for pi. Let's get it. That's funny. Yeah, also don't forget to smash that like button. Smash it so hard that your mouse incinerates, bro. Yeah, I'm aware that Phoenix, that channel that just posts pictures of waffles and videos of waffles, has way more than 14 times as many subs as I have. I'm super I'm super aware of how small my channel is right now. But thanks for making it what it is, man. It's been a blast. Ooh, this is a hard question because the chat locked up. Um, okay, wow. Fast answer, Geo. You might want to check your work, play. I don't get the question. I try to explain it. That's a magnet. That's a magnet. If it travels, like rolls 10 feet, how many times will these magnets touch the ground? But don't count it. Like the first one is when it first touches the ground. One. Is this question two like one red possible? Saggy. I should just post pictures of math questions, dude. There's like channels that do that and get tons of views, and I probably should get on that wave. Eat Saggy, already got you, player. Rachel. Aha. Alicia. This is a hard question, so I'm actually gonna cut the chat kind of early on this one. Auditioning, what's up, bro? It's true. Circumference equals 11 feet, potentially. Tejas has got two. Bro. Yes. Alam's got one. Tejas. Yeah, this is a hard question, dudes. I'm gonna go over this in like 30 seconds though, just because I think it's so difficult that we might as well just cut it, get over it, and then I'll give you guys a redemption or whatever. But the right answer could be here. I actually don't know the right answer yet. When I made this question, I was like, "Did the numbers work? Okay, kind of." Let's see what the real deal is. Yeet, I got you, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go over this. All right, so how does this question work? Did I even phrase this question correctly? I don't know, and I'm just trying to go as I whip it along as I go along, bros. Okay. All right, so dang, dude, I feel like I just is like sick, bro. Just been working too much. Okay, so here's the wheel. We're gonna see how many times it touches the ground. These magnets touch the ground, not counting the one that it's touching right now. First thing we got to figure out: circumference. 2 pi r. We know the radius. We're gonna sub it in. Circumference equals 2 pi 21. 21. Then we know what pi is. That 22 over 7. So 2 times 22 over 7 times 21. I know that that's just going to turn into a 3. So C equals 2 times 66. The circumference equals, can't believe I have to do this out, 12, of course, 132. Okay, so that's in inches. So we can then divide that by feet to see how many feet that could potentially be. So I'm going to divide it by 12. 132. 1, 12, 1, 2, 1, 11. So yeah, Rachel's totally right. The circumference here is 11 feet. Okay, so that actually means that, yeah, while it's rotating around in 10 feet, it won't actually get to the top again. So we have here where we start. We have here at about, let's say, 4.6 feet. It'll be here. So we haven't actually touched down yet. And then once we get here, this would be about 10 feet. Because it can't rotate fully. Like this would be here now. I guess I could draw this so you guys understand. So that's this magnet here. And that's what we're following around. So it won't actually get to the top because in order to make a full rotation, that's going to be 11 feet. Okay. So that's actually very, very tough. But I'm going to give you guys a redemption problem. Just remember how far the wheel rolls in one rotation is its circumference. Okay, so here's the redemption. And I'm going to make it a little bit harder because I think it's like very, very difficult. But yeah, the answer was 1. Okay, so let's see here. Ugh, dude, I like ran into my microphone and made a horrible circle. My crappy microphone. Yeah, dude, if anybody has bot farms, definitely sub. Okay, so here's my beautiful circle. Okay, kind of. Say this is okay, so that would be hold on, let me make sure that this problem's legit for you guys. So this would be 5, 10, 5, 6, 6 maybe? 3.6. Okay. Alright, so cool. Alright. Okay, redemption. Redemption is real to all y'all homies. Okay. This wheel is traveling 308 inches per second. How many rotations does it make each second? Let's go. Oh, thanks, Anthony. That's awesome, bro. Appreciate those subs, bro. Helps a lot. Potentially, Minty. I get obsessed with video games, though. Like, right now, I'm obsessed with Brawl Stars, and I've just been nonstop playing it. I might even play some at the end of the stream, just because. Just about a week ago. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Henry. We're going to use pi as that 22/7 number, of course. Yeah, thanks, Redwan. About 7. Okay. We'll do that, Rachel. I'll just say 7 straight up. Rachel, Geo, Saggy. Oh. Shad, got you. Yeah, potentially. I might be. Oh, no, tomorrow I'm tutoring like all day, bro. You got 7, Yeet. Got you. Laurel. Oh, that's the same answer as before. Well, 7 is becoming this big thing here. Alicia. Dude, the redemption is real. Good job, guys. Yeah. Good. Good. Dude, hopefully this is all making sense. You got Minty, you got 1. I got you, bro. Obviously, guys. Nice. Venna. Dude, redemption is real. I didn't believe before, but now I believe it. Wow. Good job, bros. Okay, cool. Geek. Got you. Neil, of course. Dude, Zach. I already got you, Zach. Nice. Dude, so good job, bros. Was that really your answer, Tenzin? Is 88? I didn't know if you were like just playing or not. That's a big answer, bro. Got you. Yeah. Cool, man. Awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, study. Got you, dude. Okay, cool. Um, okay, yeah, Anthony, we can do that problem next, dude. Sorry, Minty. There you go. Okay, cool. So let's go over this one. 3 minutes is way too long, anyways. Okay, so we need to first understand what the circumference is. The circumference, as we covered, is 2 pi r, so that's 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. Wow, that cancels out. So what we're dealing with is 44 inches. That's going to be our circumference. Cool. So every time the wheel turns, 44 inches. Turns again, 44 more inches. But we're doing 308 inches every second. So we got to figure out how many rotations it takes to get us going 308 rotations. So that's some division, bros. And this is not going to be cool. I'm just going to go along with the flow on this one. I have a feeling it's 7. 7 times 4 is 8, 20. That's a nice matchup. 7 times 4 is 28, 30. Yeah, that's it. Boom. So we got to make 7 rotations a second. Perfect. Minty, a little bit off with that 1x, bro. Okay, cool. Two similar triangles have a perimeter of 12 feet and 60 feet. If the area of the smaller triangle is 6 feet, what is the area of the larger triangle? Anthony, that's an interesting question, dude. That is a very interesting question. Um, what would that even be? It'd be 6 and 2 and... Oh, that's a hard question, man. Good job, dudes. Um, yeah, good job with the redemption, guys. Really nice. Okay. We're just doing circles today, Sport Show. That's like how we're getting down, dude. Let me see if I can make one that's really difficult for you guys. Let me see. I think I can. I think I know how to. Forgive my trash circle. So yeah, I'm doing a stream tomorrow. I'm just really busy with like tutoring sessions. I have like 3 or 4 tutoring sessions before the stream tomorrow. It's like really crazy. Okay. But I mean, 2 months to the test, dude. Did you guys realize that? It's 2 months into the test. Like, it's coming, bros. Watch out. So, yeah. Okay, cool. What could be a good question for you guys? Oh, I know. I could do something like, okay, I actually have to draw this a lot better if I want to do this question than I want to do, so check it out. Sorry to hear your teacher sucks, Tenzin. That happens, dude. That just totally happens. There's just some teachers who are really bad. I've had some horrible teachers in my life, which is why I like teaching you guys. I'm like, I know what you guys need. Like, it's not trash. Okay, let's do something like this. Like that. That's nice. Feel like Bob Ross a little bit. Ooh, we get a little happy line right there. Okay, lovely. We got something working like this. We got something working like that. Okay. So let's say that this is... Ooh, how am I going to do this? How am I going to trick you guys? that's what I'm thinking all the time. How am I going to trick you guys? So let's say this is 75 degrees. A, B, C. And let's say this is 6 feet. All right, here's a question. Brand new to the SHSAT, so you got to get hip with it. I'll probably make a video about this really soon. So let's get it, guys. In terms of pi, how long is minor arc ABC? Let's get it. Dude, thanks, Tenzin. That means a lot, dude. I am Bob Ross. That's funny. Yeah, dude. Anthony, please send me a test, dude. I'm Rob Boss. yo, I'm Rob Boss. Man, I'm Bob Ross's brother. I just rob people. I'm a boss. Can you scroll up, please? I guess I could try to scroll up a little bit, bro, but it's just kind of the way it is. Yeah, okay, Red Possible's got that 1 pi. Red Possible. Dude, Red Possible had that win early in the stream, man. Anything could happen. 18 feet. It's Tenzin. No. Minor arc, Neil, is just a little piece of the edge of the circle. It's like a little piece of the circumference. That's what they consider a minor arc. Pokegar's got the same. Pokegar. Yeah, that's what they mean, Tenzin. 3 pi, the Anthony. 3 pi, sorry, Anthony. Got you, bro. Luo's got 30. Got you, bro. Alicia. Alicia, you've been doing great on the streams recently, I gotta say. Been really crushing it. Rachel. Tejas. Cool. Yeah, it's a tough one. Pi 18. We'll put you pi 18 over here, Spore Show. I got you, bro. Okay. 2 pi for Tenzin. Nice. Okay. Carry the pi. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yashin. Okay. Shuen. Okay. 2 pi with Tenzin. Pi. Okay, cool. Thanks, Anthony. Geo Exterminator's got 1 pi. I got you. I see what you're doing there, Geo. I see that. God. Okay. So just a little bit. I'll give you like 2 more seconds, bros. Okay. Shod. I got you. All right, so let's go over this one. I think this one's kind of tricky. Yeah, boy. Got you, dude. Okay, thanks, Anthony, man. I'll take that, bro. Oh, really? Did I mess it up? All right. Okay, cool. So, oh, Neil. Got you, dude. Just going to write you smaller. All right, bro. So let's go through this. Okay. So, here's what we're dealing with, guys. All right. So, remember, when we're dealing with either arcs or sectors or internal angles, what we're dealing with is part over whole. Remember how equal circles are. So first thing we got to suss out is this is a isosceles triangle because it has 2 radiuses. So we know that this is also 6 feet. We know that this is also 75. And 75 and 75 is 150 to get 180 for all 3 angles of the triangle. This has got to be 30 up in here. Hopefully that's good to go. So now we know that this is 30. This is going to be 30 out of the 360. That's the part that we have and the whole, 360. Now we need this part to answer the question. But do we know the whole? Do we know what the circumference is? Yeah, because we know this. So it's going to be 12 pi because that's 2 pi r. So that's our whole, 12 pi. What's our part? I don't know. Hopefully we'll find out. And so now, once we're here, dudes, I simplify first. I always simplify before I cross multiply just to make my life so much easier. Divide both of these by 30. I'm going to get 1 over, I can't believe I have to do this. I'm so dumb sometimes. 12. Great. Equals x over 12 pi. Now I think we all see where this is going. So we cross multiply. 12 pi equals 12x. Okay, divide both by 12. Divide both by 12. X is going to equal pi. The redemption is real, bros. The redemption is absolutely real. Really nicely done. Really, really nicely done, dudes. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. That part over whole, yeah, and Ostapico. I'm probably saying that wrong. Sorry, dude. But yeah, this is on the SHSAT. They just indicated that the SHSAT is testing this year. So, I mean, it's kind of crazy, actually. Just keep that in mind. So yeah, why is that 30? Because this is an isosceles triangle because we have a radius and a radius. And if this 75 creates a radius, then that means this has to be 75 because it also creates a radius. That's 150. Triangles are 180. So what's left? 30. And that's what goes up in that spot. So that's why. Yeah. Cool, man. That's what's up. Yeah, that's how we got that 30 degrees. Yep, Pokegar's got a good explanation for it too. Why 12 pi, Sportshow? Because that's the whole circumference. The whole circumference is 12 pi. And when we're doing part over whole, we want to do the whole circumference and then just that part of that circumference. Just like the whole internal angle of a circle is 360 and 30 is just our part. We got to do part over whole, part over whole. That's how you rock these questions, dudes. So yeah, we can do another one as a redemption of a redemption, but I mean, the crush is real. People are really, really crushing it. I guess I could do like a softball one. Is this going to be a question test thing? I don't know what you mean by that, Tenzin, but maybe, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but for all of you guys, that's new information with the circle, the part over whole thing. We worked on it really hard last week, so that's why a lot of the people in this stream are like really good. Yeah. Not gonna count right. Oh, that's good, Mason. That's chill, bro. That's chill, bro. Let's see what else I can do to kind of throw you guys. Why is the pi 30? I don't know what you mean by that. This is not going to be a super stream today, but maybe Thursday. Don't quote me on that, but maybe we can do Thursday. Yeah, maybe we'll do a Thursday super stream, but don't quote me. Things do get kind of crazy. Just with it's just a busy time of year, dude. You guys have 2 months. Can you guys believe it? 2 months to the SHSAT. It is not a super stream. You can yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, when is that static gonna hit? Yeah, I don't know, dude. Time flies. Pokar. I don't know, bro. I always think when I start these streams, I'm like, no way they're gonna last an hour, and then we just get going, and that's just what's up, dudes. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, I actually think I have a good one for you guys. We're gonna continue on our circular trend here, and just different ways that I can present. Yeah, if there's no static, then I don't know, man. Maybe I'll just quit YouTube forever. Let's see here. Beautiful circle, looking great. Looking good. Here's our center here. Don't need a ruler. Looking nice. Okay, that's looking really nice. And that's looking really nice too. Wow. Okay. Shade this puppy in. Shade this puppy in. Nice. Then just to make it more difficult for you guys, because why not? Let's say that this is ooh. Okay, hold on. Let me do some math to make sure this works out. All right, that works out perfect, actually. So let's say this is, what would that even be? 30? Say this is 30. And I want to know, and then actually, then I would need this to be 12 feet. This is also 12 feet. Boom. All right, guys. I want to know what the shaded region is. Let's go. Yeah, that's true, Tenzin. No, I want the static, bro. Yeah. Basically, they're going to talk about getting rid of the test. They're not going to get rid of the test, guys. They just like talking about it. They've been talking about it forever. Yeah, but you guys are going to definitely be taking it, so it's actually really good for you guys. And I should say that this point, let's just say it P is the center, just to be absolutely clear, because my drawings kind of suck. Okay, so we got our first answer. Henry's in the shoot here. This is a really hard one, though, for sure. Oh my gosh, did my phone just die? What happened? Really weird. There we go. That was weird, dudes. I wonder why my phone just gave up. My phone was like, nah, this problem's too hard. 144 pi for Laurel. 44 pi. Laurel. Rounded as 151. Well, what'd you get unrounded, bruh? Oh, I see. I'm sorry, Henry. Yeah, pi is just pi. I want it in terms of pi. You guys can just give it to me, just like this answer is in terms of pi. That's all good. Yeah. Dude, I can't believe my phone just died. That's really weird. I wonder why I did that. Zoom in. Enhance. 48 pi from Red Possible. Pi, Anthony. Rachel. Yes. Yeah. All right, Yashin. Thank God. So excited. Yeah. Static. Very nice, dude. So exciting. Wow. What a time to be alive, guys. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Who knew? Was it 52? Was that where it was at? Pokar, did you call it, bro? Was that at 54? I don't have my timer up today. Phoenix? Dude, people are doing really good on this question, though. I'm feeling really confident about your skills. Phoenix 48 pi. You smashed a keyboard? Nice. Hopefully you also smash that like button. 24 pi, Tejas. Yeah. Okay, study. Got you, bro. 17 and 1/3 pi? Henry? Yeah, it is what it Yeah, if you're brand new to the chat, it's always a moment, bro. Oh, really, Rachel? That's actually kind of interesting then if you got that. Love that comment. I can't actually approve it, Anthony, but that's really funny. I can't. There are some comments that I can't approve, but are really funny. So, yeah, that's all good. Okay, so let me show you how to do this one, just because I think it's important. Yeah, that's funny, Minty. Okay, so check it out. So basically, we're doing the same thing as before, but we got some extra things thrown into the mix because I love throwing you guys curveballs for sure. Got you, Tejas. All right, so we know that we're dealing with an isosceles triangle. 30 and 30 is 60. That means this guy's 120, and that also means this guy's 120. So what is left? Okay, that is actually a really good question, but we can assume that whatever is left, if it's 30 and 30, or if it's 50 and 10, whatever it is, it's going to work out to the same answer. So we might as well do 30 here and 30 here, because it's got to add up to 360 no matter what. Or actually, no, it would be 60 and 60. So you can't even see that, but what goes in here is 60 degrees, and what goes in there is 60 degrees. And then that adds up to 360. We're good to go. Let me actually get a little closer. Can y'all see what I'm doing here? Cool. So we're going to do part over whole. So we know that the whole circumference is 2 pi r. So the whole circumference is 24 pi, because 12 feet times 2 times pi, 24 pi is our circumference. So that's our whole. We also know that our part here is 60, and this part here is 60. So I'm just going to do it for one of the parts, and then we can just divide, and then we multiply it by 2. You know what I'm saying? So part over whole. We know we have 60 over 360. We actually don't need the circumference, we need the area, and the area is pi r squared because our units are square feet for area. So it's actually going to be 144 pi. That's going to be our area. So that's going to be our whole, 144 pi. What is it? The part, we don't know. We don't know what this part is, or at least the area of it. So of course I'm going to simplify. This is 1/6 equals x over 144. That's a 144 pi. Cross multiply, cross multiply. And what we get is 144 pi equals 6x. We're going to divide both sides by 6, and then we're going to get our answer. So 144 divided by 6, that's 2, 12, 24, 4. So 24 pi is the area of this region, 24 pi feet squared. But we're not actually done. And Tejas, you got to remember, bro, you got to double that. So it's actually going to be 48 because we have 2 of those 24 pi sections. So when we add them together, we're going to get that 48 pi. We're coasting, bros. We're absolutely coasting. Really, really nice, man. Really, really nice. Oh, dude, they're renovating upstairs. That's kind of crazy. Let me see. Give me like a second to pull up some stuff I wanted to pull up today, and I don't know if I'll be able to get to it actually. Hold on. Don't make me save. I don't care. Okay. Cool. Desktop. Okay, that's what it's called. Totally forgot. All right. So, yes. Let's see. Media source. Source. Stop. Okay. I'm kind of done today, so I'm just gonna really good stream today, dudes. Really good stuff. No way! So if you guys have any like SHSAT related questions or anything like that, we can always we'll always just be streaming. Yeah, I like hid in this bush and they like had no idea I was there chilling. So I just waited till they left.
Number 1.
That would actually be really smart, Minty. Yeah, sorry for blowing out your ears, everybody. Yeah, I did not realize it was like absolutely screaming in your guys'. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's real. Yeah, see you cracked. Good stuff, bro. Good to see you back in the streams, man. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys have any questions about SHSAT stuff, we're gonna be here all summer. Definitely hit that sub button, smash that like button if you're interested in this type of stuff for sure. Yeah. Dude, I'll accept your request. Sure. What's your name though? Because I only want to accept requests of people who like come to the stream and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. See you later, Yeet. Peace, bro. Yeah, this is the new ending. I just play Brawl Stars from now on. This is all I do. Oh, I got a nice double kill up in here. Right, yeah, don't play video games if you want to get into STI. Nobody in STI plays video games. Yeah, I mean, I think it's important to like kick back, to like relax and stuff. Like, yeah, it's important to like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll improve you. I recognize that. I don't know if I think I might be tutoring at that time, bro. Yeah. I'm not live. This is like I played earlier, and this is like you can tell it's like a cut up. It's not like the full game. Yeah, this is a recording. You can tell it's like sped up. I like speed up a little bit. Dude, why would he choose Bronx Science over STI? Was that like a location thing where he like moved to the Bronx? How'd you get to 2K in 4 days, man? I've been stuck at 800 for a long time. Like 2 weeks almost. That's it. That was basically it, dude. So, all right, man, I'm going to get out of here. Let's see. Thursday? Can we play Thursday? Maybe, man. Like, I'm online on and off. I might like throw a couple games in after the session today just to like chill. Yeah, but that was the stream today. Good job, guys. I didn't really have that much for you, but I feel like you guys got a lot out of it, hopefully. At least with those circles and stuff. Dude, I can't even do my ending right. I should just like retire. Oh my gosh. You guys know what it is. It's tylertutor.com. Yeah, check it out. There's so much stuff you can do. We're gonna be streaming every day at 6 p, bros. Yeah, I am out of here. So pen is down. See you guys.